Hello students, this is Sunita Mishra. Today I am going to start the first chapter of chemistry, that is chemical reactions and equations. Now, to know about the chapter, you have to first go through these following changes, that consider the following situations of the daily life and think what happens when milk is left at room temperatures during summer, or an iron tawa, pan or nail is left exposed to humid atmosphere, or a food gets digested in our body. Now in all the above situation, the nature and identity of the initial substance have somewhat changed. All we know that the milk, it becomes sour after some time, and digestion is also a process in which our food is digested, or an iron article can be exposed to air, then it get rusted. So all these are observation we see in our daily life. So from these above reactions, we have come to know that some physical and chemical changes of matter takes place, and all of we have learnt about this in our previous classes. So whenever a chemical change occurs, we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. Now suppose I am giving you a very simple experiment when, if we are going to burn a magnesium ribbon in a burner, then what will we see? We see that magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame and changes into white powder. So now this powder is magnesium oxide, and how it is formed? It is formed due to the reaction between the magnesium and oxygen present in the air. Now from the above experiment, we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place, then some changes has also takes place. And what are those changes? They may be change in the state, change in the color, evolution of a gas, or change in the temperature. So these changes can occur, which signifies that a chemical reaction takes place. Now as we observe the changes around us, we can see that there is a large variety of chemical reaction taking place around us. Now how to write a chemical equation? That means what is the way of writing a chemical equation? So when we are going to write a chemical equation in a sentence form, like in a description, we are giving the description of a chemical reaction, then that can be quite long. So how can we write it in a simplest way? So we can use a word equation, like the reaction between the magnesium and oxygen can be written as a word equation like that: magnesium plus oxygen, that will gives you magnesium oxide. Now magnesium and oxygen, that those who are written at the left hand side of the arrow, these are known as reactants, and the new product, that is the magnesium oxide, is called as a product. Okay, now we can write the chemical equation not only in the form of word equation, but in a more simpler way. And what is that way? If you know the symbol, or if we know the chemical formula of the elements, then we can write it, their chemical formula, and we make it a simpler one. Like we can write Mg plus O2, and that gives you MgO. So like this we can make our calculation, our equation very simple. So up to this, in next class I will teach more about the other topic.